Hi everybody, Average Model Guy here, bringing you the 1/18th, yes, 1/18th scale AV-8B Harrier 2 by Hobby Boss. This thing is absolutely humongous. This box, that's my hand, the size of this box. This is going to be a huge model. Guess we won't mess around here. We'll go ahead and unbox it. Let's see what we got on the inside. Holy crap. That was a pain to get off. Alright, here's our wing. Yeah, that's a big wing. Ooh, here's our fuselage. Thing is huge. That's got to be at least, I'd say 2 feet long. Pretty close to being 2 feet long in 2 pieces. And now we have our boxes here. Look at that. That's the size of like a regular model kit right there. That's just some of the pieces. Well, I guess we'll open it up and see what we got on the inside here. Okay. That off to the side. This looks like our main engine assembly here. Like sub-assembly pieces for the inside, I'm guessing. Maybe the wheel wells, I'm guessing. Kind of hard to tell at this point. This looks like, that looks like cockpit piece there. And maybe tail section. Not so much cockpit. This is that pod, I'm guessing. Yeah. Kind of hard to say until we actually get in and start building it. Yeah, these look like the tail fins. Yep, definitely that. And then one little small piece here. Yeah, oh, cool. Is that battery powered too? Huh. That laser or whatever it's on the front of it. That's laser pod or whatever. That's really cool. All right, that's box number 1. Second box. I guess this one's labeled box B. They're open here. Box B has got our glass cockpit pieces. These 2 bags are stuck together. Maybe the cockpit now? Maybe? Not really sure. These look like the flaps, wing flaps. There's the nose cone, so I'm assuming maybe that's the cockpit. And like right there's the nose cone. And oh, looks like we got the nozzle funnels for the VTOL. Yep. All right. Look at that. Rubber tires. These look like the same size as like 1/24 scale model kit tires. That is crazy. All right, now it's time for the big box. They're known as box C, apparently. All right. More of the airframe pieces. Various ones all over the place. Ooh, white pieces. I bet you this is for like the inside of the engine. Maybe. Interesting, they're molded in white plastic. That looks like front wheel, or maybe the side wheels. I don't know. It's hard saying what these are. We'll find out when we get to them. Again, now we got the actual wheels here. Landing gear assembly. Ooh, cockpit piece right there. Yep. We got drop tanks, missiles, hard points. Awesome. I don't know if you can see it very well, but see a piece of a Sidewinder missile in there. Ooh, more bombs and bomb pieces there, I guess. The underside of the wings with other small pieces in there. And last but not least, more hard points for our missiles and our drop tanks. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna have my work cut out for this one. Let's see what we got as far as decals go. Kind of hard to see through there. I think there's two different options. We got this one, and then there's one on the back for the other options. I'm going to go with the Ace of Spades, I believe. I think that's going to be a sharp looking one. That's what I'm going to choose for it. But yeah, I think we got, here's our two options for our marking and painting. That's the first option. And then our second option, this is the one I think I'm going to do here. Ace of Spades. Yeah, so there we go. And then our instruction novel, I don't even want to call it a booklet. It's actually not pretty thin. Yeah, it's not too bad. Get our parts layout, and then looks like we're starting with the engine on this one and not the cockpit. That's pretty cool. Alright, cockpit's not until step 4. So, there we go. Alright, there we have it. There's our 1/18 scale Hobby Boss AV8B Harrier. Looking forward to building this one. Stick around if you want to watch the episodes of me building this one. This is probably going to be a fairly long series. But yeah, we'll see how well this one does. I do intend on entering this one in the January model contest I'm going to be going in. So I really want to try to get them before January. We'll see. Life happens. You all know how it goes. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next one.